So now we'll talk about the tiger pose. In the tiger pose, this is the another modifications which is comes from the cat. Cat के बाद का जो अगला level है, that is comes in the tiger. So same position you have to be maintained in the cat. So I do not need to be explained position of the arms, your elbow, your shoulder, your hip, all same. Only in the tiger pose, the positions are you have to be lift the leg, this one. So here the movement will be the change, especially your pelvic movement. So which movement we will be focused here? Your hip squaring, not here. Whatever the you kick the leg, like if I kick my left leg up, so your left hip should be down so that I can maintain my hip square, the position here. This one. Other position will be remain same. Your knee to hip, it's not should be here, it's not should be here. You have to be exactly maintain the position. Why we are focusing exact alignment? Because if you will practice any posture in the right alignment, so you will have the right benefit from that pose. हमने स्टार्टिंग में किया था benefit and importance of the alignment. तो वही चीज I am just repeating. So now you will be see in the tiger pose have some different and we can create a lot of modifications. अब आप सिर्फ काउंट करते रहना कि कितनी variations will be. So the basic variation, the leg up, all position will be same, arms, shoulder away from the ear. You don't need to be look up, just little bit look front upside, थोड़ा सा. The position 1, position 2, you have to still maintain. It's not if you are squeeze, so आपको you have to be also change the position of your leg, still maintaining the same position and then try to touch the knee. If you are not able to touch the knee, so we will have some another options too. So this is the one practice, modification A and then modification B. अब इसी को now in the modern style we create some another practices, some another variations in that. वो कैसे होगा? Leg. Then practice like you can be use the one hand up, because I am changing the modification, so the level of the intense is also changed. Hand up can be try, and then you can be take the elbow, you can be try, or I will change again hand up here, and then you can be hug the left knee and you can be try. So this will become a bit easier because you are getting the spot from your hand. Right? Usually we are teaching this kind of the modification like I am teaching my weight loss batch. So I am practicing, I am giving this kind of the modifications in this kind of classes. Or practice something you are giving for the strength classes, core strength classes, weight reduce classes. So in this kind of the classes you can be use this kind of the modifications. Okay. So now once again, modification 1, modification 2, modification 3, modification 4, modification 5, and then modification 7, modification 8, and then even you can be change the modification to the more intense level. You can be hold when you sometimes you are practicing in advance, you can touch and you can lift the leg. So how many modifications we did? Almost 8 and 9, and now the same practice you can be changed again. Now the same leg, left leg, and you use the same hand, left hand. Same leg, same hand. It will be you need more strength and you need more focus of mind to maintaining. Because when we are doing opposite, left leg and the right hand, it is quite easier to hold. But the same leg and the same hand you will be try, it will become a little intense and you need to be put more strength in that. तो आपका ये हो गया hand up, or even bend the leg, you can be try, or even you can put that advanced variation in that. So this is comes in that. अब इसी posture को, the same posture we can be change, we can be modify, more intense level, more strength level, more your arm strength level, and more on your core strength level. वो कैसे करते हैं? If someone they are attending my weight loss class, so maybe they already practice. I don't want my leg facing to Buddha. So you have to be leg on the sidewise. So these are the some another modifications which we are also using. Leg front, leg back, we can use this movement, and this movement we can be combined with the hand up too. Hand sidewise, the leg sidewise. So this will become a bit more intense. And इसी practice को you can be change again. You can be change again like the leg up and then down. We are giving this practice. Same practice you can be change again, modify again the hand up, and then you can be try again. So the time you will change the modification, the intense level of the posture will also change. Done. तो ये हो गया इसके बारे में. Because if you understand the cat and cow, it's easy to understand that the another modification which I just explained in the tiger pose, but we are only changing the different way of doing it. But traditional yoga के अंदर ये नहीं बोला गया. This is just our creations की how we can be modified on the different levels. So you see one posture we can be divide in so many like 13-14 styles, modifications, and then variations you can be create. Or even if you want to teach class, आप ना you for only cat pose and the tiger pose आप अपनी एक class बना सकते हैं. Usually you can be create even your one class just with your cat and the tiger pose. Because when we are talking in the teaching class, we know like first 5 minutes is for relaxation, last 5 minutes for the relaxation, and 50 minutes after relaxation you have to give 10-15 minutes you have to give the warm up. तो आपके 15 और 10 25 minutes is gone, and then you have to create the class nearby 35 minutes. You can be let them practice in the cat and cow, and you can include some another contra posture, some alternate posture in between that. So you can create a beautiful class with that. So one more suggestion for all of you, because almost 99% you all are the yoga teacher. When you are teach your yoga class, so you no need to put so many posture in the class. Sometimes when you are teaching the flow, उसके अंदर ओके चलता है, तो one flow, one pose to another, then second to third, third to fourth, that is something different. But when you are teaching some classes, तो उसके अंदर ज़्यादा posture मत रखिए. You just take maybe maximum 3 or 4 posture, keep in your mind, and उसी का sequence बनाइए. You need to make the sequence belong to particular that pose. उसका warm up, उसका preparatory, उसका basic sequence. Then you can be take them different modification, but especially belong to that pose. With this way, even you or your student will get more rapid improvement. हम क्या करते हैं, हम गलती क्या करते हैं ना, हम एक ही बार में बहुत सारा देने की सोचते हैं. हम एक ही one time we want to give so many things, और so many things देने के बाद वो कहीं पर भी अच्छे से तैयारी नहीं हो पाती. That is just a workout. वो एक physical workout आपको हो जाता है. Just like a physical workout. ठीक है, I did the practice. मेरे I just sweat and पसीना आ गया, heartbeat हो गई, then enough. But you really want to be improved in particular asanas, particular any practice, so try to be focused less. थोड़े पर कीजिए, उसी को ही आप increase कर दीजिए, उसी की modify कर दीजिए, उसी को. हो गया, I done. So now I am giving you time. देखिए अब हम 40 मिनट से ना इसी पोस्चर पे बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, so now practice time.